In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ctrader ID. By the end, you'll have a single sign-in you can use across Ctrader platforms and connected brokers, so you can manage profiles and trading access more easily. All you need is a reliable internet connection and an email address you can access right now. Start by going to the official Ctrader ID registration page. You can find it by searching for Ctrader ID and choosing the official site, or by following the sign-up link inside a Ctrader platform or a trusted broker's portal. Make sure the page is secure and the address looks legitimate before entering any details. On the registration form, enter your full name. Use the same name you would for financial accounts, as it helps prevent identity or verification issues later. Avoid nicknames or abbreviations unless they match your official documents. Next, provide a valid email address. This will be your username and the place where Ctrader sends verification messages and important notifications. Double check for typos, especially around symbols and domains, since a small mistake can block the verification email from arriving. Create a strong password that you haven't used anywhere else. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Avoid obvious phrases or personal details. A password manager can help you generate and store a secure password so you don't have to memorize it. Before you proceed, read and accept Ctrader's terms and conditions along with the privacy policy. These documents explain how your data is handled, which laws apply, and what responsibilities you have as a user. If the form includes marketing preferences, adjust them to your liking before accepting. Now verify your email. Open your inbox and look for the verification message from Ctrader. If you don't see it within a minute, refresh the page, check your spam or promotions folders, and search your inbox by the sender's name. If it still hasn't arrived, use the resend link on the registration page and confirm your email address was entered correctly. When the message arrives, click the verification link. Note that these links can expire, so act promptly. Once verified, return to the Ctrader login page and sign in with your email and password. You should see your account dashboard or be prompted to complete any remaining profile details. From here, you can access Ctrader platforms and supported broker connections using your new Ctrader ID. That's it, your Ctrader ID is ready. Take a moment to store your credentials safely and you're good to go.